Here are 5 condensed steps to help a man become smarter. 1. Read and learn consistently. Dive into books, articles, and educational content on topics that interest you and broaden your knowledge. Stay curious and make learning a daily habit. 2. Practice critical thinking. Question assumptions, analyze situations logically, and make evidence-based decisions. Focus on understanding why and how things work. 3. Engage with smart people. Surround yourself with people who challenge your ideas and inspire growth. Participate in discussions and learn from different perspectives. 4. Take care of your brain. Exercise, eat healthy, and prioritize good sleep to improve cognitive function. Engage in brain training activities like puzzles, chess, or memory games. 5. Apply what you learn and turn knowledge into action by using it in real-life situations. Teach or explain concepts to others. It reinforces your own understanding. By following these steps, you can gradually enhance your intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please subscribe our channel.